spread out and keep moving south. Gotta go up the hill and then.
Oh yeah.
Gonna need a medic whenever possible. No rush.
Damn!
Just killed a sniper.
Yeah, fucking destroyed him and. Let's flip.
Ooh la la. I think I saw it tumbling down the hill. I don't know if it regained or not.
No, it's back running again.
Yeah, there's guys in the house to the north too, across the field.
Dude, I think I just tracked it!
About damn time, soldier.
Oh my god. Dude, I did track it! Oh, hell yeah! That's so funny.
Kill the supreme leader.
Fucking bastards. Yeah, they French commies.
Bro, I just pink missed one of the crew that tried to fix a tank track. What? How did he fix it that quick?
The tank's driving back off to the southeast.
How did he do that?
Instant hopped out and repaired.
I thought that shit takes time.
You can repair individual components, so I guess it doesn't take as much time as you thought.
Oh, that's lame as hell. I thought that looked like a person. Fucking, you're dead.
Whoa.
Coming to.
We need to make a new fall.
You need to get a new rally point.
They're fall down.
Oh, sorry.
Fuck.
The smokes move down.
MG's on enemy fob just west. Yep. Good.
I'm on a spawn tent.
I'm on their MSP right now. You wanna mark it?
Who's on the MSP? The medic?
Me, yeah, medic. Lucy. Just got ripped, but I'm there.
That's complete bullshit. it's time to move out. Hurry up and load the motherfucker.
There's like a tank right next to the objective.
Commander, east.
Bastard, I saw your ass. No! What?
I just sniped one guy.
Making it illegal so hard your fucking dad's gonna pop a motor. You fucking weird man.
I'm plowing it.
Do you think we're attacking those defenders?
I fucking
That's for everyone.